What would a Lamdabot experience be like in your lingual orthodontic practice? It begins as usual with a patient walking into your clinic for the first time. The well-deserved personal treatment starts from when the patient arrives at the reception desk where the new clinical file is created. The relationship of confidence between patient and doctor is established and strengthened when the professionalism of your staff becomes evident. As you well know, the usual procedure consists in taking dental impressions or buccal scanning, analyze the case, and make the diagnosis, define the treatment, and derive from all this a study, and setup models are made as required. Those can be physical or digital. And based on these, the bracket placement and the wire shape are defined. Here is where you can take advantage of having the Lambda system and Lamdabot incorporated to your operation. A digital picture of the occlusal view of your setup model is created and imported into the Lamdabot software. There, you define the working parameters and the wire's reference points. The software calculates the displacements from the reference arch and converts them into instructions for the robot. Your design then can be saved as a project for future reference as needed. The robot bends the wire in 2 steps. The first moves the anvils to a loading position that helps to easily place the wire in the bending slots. Once in position, the technician activates the final bend operation and the robot produces the final shape. And if required, the wire can be heat treated by pressing the front button. Then the wire is taken out and the excess trimmed. Since the project information is already filed, it can be used several times if more wires are needed to be formed. Different cross-sections can be used with the same data. Next, the wire is used to place your choice of braces in the stone models, beginning with the setup and then transferring them to the malocclusion model using individual guides, and finally producing an indirect bonding tray, assuring that each individual bracket will be placed in the design position. The individual guides can be used for later bracket placement or for replacing missing brackets during treatment. We all know that eventually our patients may break a wire due to use or treatment conditions. Being able to count on Lamdabot for these emergencies is priceless because it allows us to immediately replace the broken wire, even when the patient arrives on short notice or no notice at all. This small but important detail will be appreciated not only by you, but more importantly by your patients. All these features make Lambda System with Lamdabot a complete and practical in-house solution for your lingual orthodontic practice.